Hi, my name is Allison Dean. I'm a senior business administration major from Olathe, Kansas, and I'm set to graduate this spring, so I'm pretty excited about that. Why am I enrolled in this class? Obviously, we all needed to graduate, which is why we're taking it. Although this class did sound pretty interesting, and I loved how it was offered online, that just fits better, especially when you're working like 30 hours a week. It's nice to work around your schedule. I expect to learn a lot of useful tools I can use going forward in my career and just like technology in general, considering how advanced technology gets just within like a year at a time. How I plan to use what I learn, I plan to use it in my career. I read that we're going to be using Excel a little bit in this class, and that's going to be useful going forward because literally everyone uses Excel, and it would be nice to not only know the basics but maybe a little bit more because a lot of nowadays everyone knows the basics of Excel pretty much. Something about myself: I've worked customer service for almost 6 years now, and it's at a grocery store, Price Chopper if anyone ever goes there. Some interests I have: I was actually born in Wisconsin, lived there till I was 12, so I'm a diehard Green Bay Packers and Milwaukee Brewers fan. I love sports, played basketball and softball growing up, and then like competitively and played like pretty much any sport I could until I just narrowed it down to two. I'm looking forward to this semester, finishing strong and learning some valuable information that I can use going forward. And I hope we all have a great semester. Thanks. Bye, guys.